What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Chrome logo in Photoshop. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. When this is done, launch Photoshop and drag and drop the Chrome logo mockup file into Photoshop to open the project. From here, double-click the Edit Content thumbnail and a new tab will open up, displaying the text layer. Now, delete the current text layer displaying design and replace it with an image or text of your choice. I will simply create a new text layer and type Tekao. Next, right-click the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. It might take a second to load, and then use the Ctrl and S shortcut to save your current file. Use Command and S on Mac. You can then head back to the original Photoshop file on the previous tab to see that it automatically applied the text change and added the Chrome design to it. Zoom in to see if you like the current effect. You have the option to change the levels under Settings. This allows you to adjust the colors and luminosity. Below, expand Effect and adjust the curves properties to change the Chrome effect. Lastly, to get a transparent background, toggle the Color Layer Visibility off before proceeding to export the project. Head to File in the toolbar and select Save a Copy. Next, rename the file and change the file type to PNG if you're exporting an image with a transparent background, or JPEG if you kept the background. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.